guys, it's your girl Sammie, and for this week's video, oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. So I just actually posted my recent video. You should go check that out. The link will be down below in the description box. I unboxed my Blackpink light stick and my BTS dolls. So yeah, before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell or that notification box when I post every Friday. By the way, this week's notification squad shout out goes to... If you guys want to be part of the notification squad, all you have to do is comment down below. #SamFam with a yellow heart. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I literally just uploaded and the package that I've been waiting for has arrived. So yes, comment down below #SamFam with a yellow heart if you want to be in the next notification squad shout out. Don't forget to answer the question of the day as well to be part of the shout out. I am freaking out. You don't know how much I am shaking. Oh my god. I literally just uploaded and then my nanny came in and handed me this box. I know what is inside this, guys, and I literally am shaking. I am shaking. Let me go grab a pair of scissors so we can get this open straight away. I have my scissors. Let us open this baby up. My camera is angled in a bad way right now, but damn, this girl taped it really well. Thank you, thank you. I am out of breath. I literally am freaking king. Okay, so it's open. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna start off with the extras that she gave me. Thank you so much for the extras. Thank you so much. So she gave me, I think you guys know what it is by the title. You already know what it is. So she gave me a cookie army bomb holder. I am shaking. I don't even know where to begin. And she gave me something else. It's the Love Yourself cards! Oh my gosh, and she gave me V because V is my bias. My bias. So here it is, Love Yourself cards. And she gave me a note. Okay, let's read the note first. Oh, and it was written in the paper with the boys on it. I'm gonna keep this forever. Army, thank you so much for trusting me and this shop, for buying from us, and for giving us such love. We are really happy to have you around. Please stay with us. Please stay with us, and we do hope that you continue loving and trusting and supporting us. To our next transaction with you. San Heo, stay safe and dry. Love by your side, PH. So do follow them down below. They are an Instagram shop. The links will be down below in the description box. So she gave me a bunch of cards. So here is one with all of them on it. I don't know if you can see it because it's so bright. And she gave me one of V. And then, oh my god, he's so cute. My baby. Thank you so much for all the extras by your side, PH. Please do give them a follow. She is trying to sell everything that she has right now because she is in need of funds. So if you can go help her, everything, all her merchandise is 100% official, so do go check her out if ever you can. Please do give her a follow and also comment down below on her comment section that I sent you. Da-da! Wait! Okay. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm trying not to like wreck the box by opening this properly. Oh my gosh, I think I hurt. Wait, I can't breathe. My back hurts, but I don't care. OMG! So this is the army bomb, guys. I have been waiting. I have been waiting for this. Here it is, guys, the army bomb. So this is what the box looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh my gosh. There's nothing inside. No, I'm kidding. Of course there is. There are more stuff that comes with the army bomb. So it comes with a bag to hold it in. It says BTS over there. So you can place your army bomb inside like this. Ta-da! Close it. So it comes with a manual. I guess it doesn't come with cards. Or she kept it for herself. It's okay. I don't really mind because I'm getting another one. So here it is! VER.3. We need. What kind of batteries do we need? AAA batteries facing up like this. Oh my gosh. This is what it looks like. It says BTS over here if you haven't noticed. And then the little, their logo. This is BTS and then this is ARMY. And then there's an app. And then there are like little stuff inside. I don't know what they're called. They're like little baby stuff. It paired. Yay! Yay! I want it to be purple. I'm gonna make it purple. Ooh, 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 ooh. What happens if you put it on concert? So you have to download the BTS app. It's called BTS Official. And then this is what it looks like when you connect it through Bluetooth. And then you can change the colors, it changes. So for purple, you can make it like green or teal. And blue, yellow. Any color of the rainbow if you want it white. Yes. It also has a strap here. It says BTS and then ARMY. 개남들 개석진 민영기 장하석 박지민 김태현 장정국 BTS. If you guys like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up, especially if you're ARMY. Do give it a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell or that notification box when I post every Friday. And I'll see you guys with another new video on Friday. 사랑해!